Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is about how to create this very interactive and attractive pop-up card for Diwali. So actually this is a Cascade card and I have decorated this using some handmade Diwali embellishments. So I will show you each and every embellishment and the technique behind this card. Isn't it looking very pretty? And this is the inner side to add some extra messages. So let's get started. For this we need ruler, pencil, liquid glue, scissor, some colored markers, orange color thick sheet and pattern paper. First I am taking this orange sheet which measures 30 by 21 centimeter. And from the top side I am marking on 7 centimeter. In the same way from the bottom I will mark on 7 centimeter. Now I will join both these markings with each other. Like this. Now I am dividing this in 3 equal parts, that is 10 and 20 centimeter. So just make a crease. So I am using the pen which is not working for the creasing purpose. Now I will cut this line which we have created earlier. So now we have two parts. Now just take one part and from this side I am marking on 7 centimeter and from other side I am marking on 3.5 centimeter. Now again I will join both these points. Like this. Now we need to divide each part from the center like this. So I have already marked the center points. Now I am just creating some lines. So on this pencil line we need to create one line from top, then we need to create line from bottom and again from top like this. In the same way I have created lines on other panel in opposite direction, that is bottom, top, bottom. Okay. Now I am cutting these pencil markings. Like this. Now fold all the creased parts, that is 10 and 20 centimeter parts. Like this. Now I am just folding this as a zigzag manner. Similarly I will repeat the process with other panel. Now I am just inserting and connecting both the panels with each other like this. So the basic cascade technique is done. Isn't it very easy? Now I am taking this card base which measures 21 by 15 centimeter. I have just folded this in half and now I will connect this cascade card on top of this. So just add glue. and connect on the base like this. So the basic card is done. Now I am decorating it using some pattern papers. So the base card is ready. Now I will create embellishments. So I am making some diya, some firecrackers and some lanterns. So I will first draw all the shapes using my pencil. Then I will outline it using marker and then color it using colored markers. So this is done. Now I'm just fussy cutting all these shapes. Like this. In the same way I will cut other embellishments. I have created one more lantern using other color combination. So I will show you how to connect the hanging with this. So I'm just taking one piece of red color, cutting in small fringes. Now just add glue on back side of lantern and connect this fringed part. So the cute tiny lantern is ready. I am making some stars also. So this is done. Now I am just creating one strip and coloring it with blue marker. Now just cut this strip and I am making some small triangles. These triangles I will use as a banner to decorate our card. If you have colored paper, you can direct cut triangles using that colored paper. I have also created some triangles using purple marker. So all the embellishments are done. I have created some more diyas, some more crackers, and I have added some strips on these embellishments so that we can connect with the card. So I will show you how to do this. Just add glue on back side of this and connect the strip like this. So these are done. Now take back your card and start adding all the embellishments one by one. I have added double-sided foam tape on back side of this big diya. So I just peel off the liner and connect like this. So the decoration is done. Now I have created some more stars using glitter paper to add some extra shine to our card. Since this is a festive card, so it should be little shine in our card. Now I am adding Happy Diwali sentiment on the card. This is a handwritten sentiment. And now I am adding some half cut pearls to decorate the bottom part. Like this. I have also added pattern paper inside the card to add the message. So the beautiful and very cute Diwali card with handmade embellishment is ready. I'm sure you will gonna try it very soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.